Hello, you are welcome back to Just Rock TV. Today I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Manager on your YouTube account. You know, in life, we keep on learning every day. And that is why YouTube have made this opportunity for everyone who owns YouTube channel. And from this, you can employ a manager who know more better than what you know. You can employ someone on your account to help you to manage your account. Sometimes there are some things you needed to set on your YouTube channel that someone needs to help you to do it. And YouTube have made it so very easy that you don't need to give your password or your email to anybody out there. It's only to give them permission to your YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this on your channel. How you can add a manager to help you to manage your account. Well, if you want me to manage your account for you, you can simply drop your comment there and I will get back to you. So thank you. So today, what we are going to show you will give you a long benefit. So but before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel and this is your first time coming to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Press that red button down below. Very close to it, you will see a bell. Just press the bell so that anytime we upload new video, you will get a notification. Because on this channel, we educate people how you can learn more about the technology, how you can improve yourself on technology. So I will encourage you not to go without no subscribe. And thanks to everyone who have been watching us, who have subscribed to this YouTube channel. As we continue today, you will see what I'm going to show you. So let's go as I get started. So the first thing you need to do, you have your YouTube channel already, you have created your account already. So the next thing to do for you is to go to your page, and this is my page. You can see it right here. I'm on my page. So at the top, at your right hand, you will see a icon. Just click the icon. You can see where my mouse is. Click the icon and you come to the box and you go to YouTube Studio. You can see it right there. YouTube Studio. That is what you need to click. I'm going to show you. I'm not going to be in a rush so that you can get everything clearly. So this is YouTube Studio. Kindly press on that. And when you press on that, it will bring you direct to this place. And you can see you have many options here. There's many things I can teach you in this page, but today we are not going to talk about that. So once you are here, kindly go to your setting. You can see my setting right down here. You can see the setting. So you press on the setting. Press on the setting and it will bring you direct to this place. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, you can see the option here: general channel, upload, default, and permission community agreement. So you need to click on permission because you want to give another person permission to your account. So click on permission. Now you can see here name, access. You are the owner. This is my name here. I'm the owner of this account. So just go to invite. You want to invite another person to this YouTube channel. Let's put our email here. Let's put our email. You select and put your email. Now that we have had our email, so you need to select Asset Select. So let's select the Asset Select. So on this page, you have many options here. As I told you, you need to be careful of who you are giving your account to. You can add a manager. So let's click on manager and you click on done. So already it has been added and you save. So the setting have been saved and the person will receive an email just to confirm what you have sent to him. So he can now operate fully on your YouTube channel. But how can you remove this? Let me quickly show you. It's the same process. You go to your YouTube channel. This is your YouTube channel. And you go back to the icon. This is your YouTube channel. You go back to your icon at the right hand at the top there. You click on that and you press YouTube Studio. So when you are on this page, you click on Settings and you go to Permission. Now, because you have added the person as your manager before, now you can remove the person if you don't want the person on your channel again. You see here on this manager, you click it and come to remove access. And you click remove access and you save. And the settings have been saved. Let's go back and check if the email has been removed. This is the permission. You click on that and you can see the person has been completely removed on your YouTube channel. So I have done how you can add manager on your account, how you can use your desktop or your laptop to do that. But for the benefit of those who operate on their Android phone, I'm going to do this so that you can know how to use your Android to add manager on your YouTube account. So to show you how you can do that step by step on your Android phone. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you look for your YouTube on your phone. You look for your YouTube on your phone and you disable your YouTube on your Android. This is my home YouTube and I'm going to disable it right now. Now you disable it and the YouTube icon is not more there. So the next thing is to look for the browser that you can use. Now on your browser, you write www.youtube.com and it will bring you direct to this page. So the next thing to do here is to click the three button at your right hand and you have many options here. Just scroll down and click desktop site. You click it. The moment you click it, the page will change like this. You can see it. You can see the page now. So then you click your icon at your right hand at the very top here. Click the icon and then you go to YouTube Studio. So we are in our YouTube Studio. So the next thing to do is to go down at your left hand. You can see setting at your left hand at the bottom of your phone. At your left hand, click setting and it will bring you to this place. You have many options here. You have general, channel, update, permission, community, and agreement. So you click on permission because you want to permit someone to be added to your account. Now, we need to invite the person we want to put on this YouTube channel. So you go to invite at the very top here. Click invite and you add your email. So you add your email here. And after putting your email, you go to select. And once you select, you will see the option manager. But before you click anything on this page, you need to be very careful and to read what is stated under this option. So you read up this option before you select, and you must be very careful who you are handling your channel to. So we will click on manager. So once you click on manager, you just click done. And now it is done. Now it is added on your channel. But how can you remove this? Let me show you how you can remove this if you want to remove it again. You follow the same step. Follow the same step. Add your desktop site. And click on your icon. Go to your YouTube Studio. And go down to setting and click on permission. Now the email is here. You can remove it here. You just go under manager and it will give you option and you come to remove access and you save. So now if you want to cross check whether it is removed, you can go back and check. So that is how you can add manager on your YouTube channel. So thank you very much for joining me to watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment down below. Until I see you next time, thank you and goodbye.